Alright guys, today's the day. List race number 2. Just made the hour and 40-minute drive from Tampa. We're getting close to BMP now. So if you saw the last video, you saw Mustang blew up. We got a new car. So this is a good friend of mine, client car that we built years ago. I'm talking maybe 2016 we built it. It had been sitting for a couple years. I needed a good foot brake car. I reached out. Alex was excited to offer the car up. So we took it, just did a couple maintenance things on it, changed the fluids, just kind of went over the whole car. Actually didn't even get to finish doing everything I wanted to do, but we ran out of time, so we're here now. Hopeful that we got a contender. As long as everything is good with the car and it runs what I know it's capable of running, we should be in good shape. And there were a lot of negative comments about if you have a new car, you should bump down to number 10. If you have a new car, you should be off the list, all kinds of stuff. So I was going to go to number 10 just because I don't care, I want to race. And I'm pretty confident that if the car runs good, I'll easily work my way up the list, so I'm not too worried about my spot on the list. So the number 10 car, I contacted him to see if I could race him and start my way working up the list. He's actually not going to make it. He just had a baby, got a bunch of stuff going on. He's not going to be able to make it. So I bumped down to number 9. The number 10 spot is open, and we're going to have 4 cars that wanted to race the number 10 car do a shootout. And those 4 cars, whoever wins will end up being number 10. There's a bunch of call outs. I think Cleet is trying to move up the list. Justin Swanstrom trying to move up the list. Cameron Johnson's trying to stay where he's at. Kyle is trying to move up the list. Everybody's trying to make moves. So it should be a very interesting night. And I'm just hoping that we got a good car and that we can make something happen. We're number 9, and I don't want to go home until I'm at least number 5. So we're pulling into BMP now. We'll let this thing cool off a little bit, and we'll get ready to race. Hopefully, I don't know why the forecast didn't show anything, but the weather looks kind of iffy. But we should be okay, hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna get in here, get the car cooled off, and that's it. Just the way we came off the road, that's how we're gonna race. Real street car. What's going on, sir?
Here you need one.
We could use one, yeah. If you want to get in on it, we're gonna do we're gonna have 4 cars race, and whichever car wins of those 4 will take the number 10 spot on the list. So if you want to get in on it, now's the shot.
What do I gotta do?
Just if you're gonna make a pass, and then we'll be over here and we'll draw chips for the 4-car shootout.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jimmy Hartley.
Jimmy. All right. We'll call you if anything. If you're not up here, we'll call you on the radio. But just after you make your run, just come up over here. We'll draw chips.
Got it.
All right. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
And that's the whole reason we're doing it. Is just to get people involved.
Got the Corvette guy.
Yeah. Red Corvette. It looks serious.
It looks good.
Yeah.
9-second machine.
Man, you had to drive here like 2 hours ahead because your car's a race car and let it cool off?
Yeah.
Because you got here like
Well,
what?
it's good right now.
What'd you get here, like 4?
We got here way early. So last
You gotta watch these guys. The guys that get here super early and call it a street car, he probably did the drive in 15-minute increments the whole way here.
So last shootout race, we got here like 15 minutes before. We got stuck in traffic on the Skyway. For some reason, we left like 45 minutes earlier, and there was 0 traffic. So we showed up at like 4.
There goes your guy.
Yeah.
There goes
So
your guy.
If he races Kyle and loses or whatever,
Then you got to race Kyle.
Either
Yeah.
way.
But if I know Kyle, he's going to be late. So maybe,
And he's driving through that right now.
yeah, so maybe you call this guy out. Maybe he'll race you while he's, who wants to sit around? Like, dude, if it's me, I just want to race.
I know he wants to race forward, but you got somebody behind you that wants to move up too.
That's it. I'll call him out. If Kyle's not here, we'll run. Mr. Pro Mod himself.
Here we go. Already starting, man.
How do you know I was talking about you?
I can only imagine.
See, we're waiting on Kyle,
Gonna get
Garrett.
red or what?
I don't know. I can't
It
tell.
looks kind of like it's.
It looks like it's
like
gonna
this.
just go right past us.
Just a thin thing.
It looks like it's gonna look at the track, Eric. Looks fine. And then you look over there, it don't look fine, but hopefully it just
I'm gonna be
passes
honest
us.
though, if you got a real street car, you could drive it in red.
I drove my
We can-
car
we
here,
can
so it
still
don't
do
matter.
We can still do it.
No,
We had to slow the index down.
no, it gets sketchy.
1350.
On the glue, when the glue gets wet, it's like ice.
Really?
Yeah. How you doing, sir?
I'm down visiting from Rhode Island.
Nice. Thanks for coming, man.
I want to see him at the top.
Who, this guy?
Right,
Oh, him? This guy? Huh.
no, so
Huh.
I'm back out tomorrow. So my father-in-law has 2,000.
He's got a target on his back.
I know it's bad.
Yeah.
I was telling somebody, I said going
The
into the
Supra.
first
Oh,
race
the
it wasn't that
Supra.
bad. Now it's stressful.
No, yeah, you got a target on your back. Yeah. But I tell you right now, if everybody that I call out says yes, you're not leaving here till you race me.
No, I'm not. Wait,
Two
wait,
up.
how many calls do you have to accept? I thought.
I'm saying I'm at the bottom, so I got to call out 7.
Yeah.
Then I got to call out 5.
What I'm saying
then I
is,
got to call out 3.
How many do
so
you
you
have
have
to
a little bit of
accept
time.
tonight?
How many do you have to? It's up to you, man.
None.
No, you figure it out.
Give me 1,000 now. I'm gonna go down to Longhorn.
No, you have to.
I'm
You
just
have
kidding.
to. No, you have to
I
defend
know.
your spot.
No,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know. I know. That's
You
what,
have to
that's
defend
I
your
know.
spot. Yeah.
I just wasn't sure if there was like.
That's the same as not coming. Then you bump down too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he already called me out last race. So
Yeah.
definitely racing him.
Hey,
Okay.
so it's like 2.
We have him.
I don't know that guy, but I hope he beats you. I really do. I would enjoy to watch that guy beat you.
Would you?
I would really enjoy
Absolutely.
that. Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. But that just means because then I can call you out sooner. Because even if I end up like you can call up 2.
Yeah.
Even if I could skip you, I'm still gonna race you.
Yeah. No, I
Yeah.
would. I would too.
Okay.
After
Yeah.
as bad as I beat you last time, I'd
Yeah.
watch
Yeah.
for
No.
revenge.
No. For sure. But remember our bet.
I don't know.
Yeah. I got the text. Don't worry.
Okay. All right.
This is a nice little lineup of cars, though. This
It
is
is
cool
pretty cool. It
because
is
they're
cool.
all so different. That's what I like
Yeah.
about them.
Yeah.
A nice variety. It sucks I got to beat all you guys, but it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna trap, like 180 tonight? Mile an hour? What are you thinking?
That's unbelievable you would say that.
Do you have 1 chute on the back of that thing or 2?
It's got one, but it doesn't need it.
1, but it needs 2.
Slow.
I gotta look up the
I
rule book.
guarantee
You
that
might
thing
need
fits
2.
faster than my truck, probably, right? How
No.
fast that car go?
Dude, that car. Go look
No,
at that car. Go look. It has AC and power steering and full interior. It has a factory
Well,
1990
I'll be honest.
Toyota
I'll be
transmission.
honest. If I could afford a car like that, I'd have one of those instead of my $1,500 S10. I'm just being honest.
Are we gonna really? Pick,
But
are we
I
gonna
had
pick?
to.
Are we gonna pick this
I
apart right
had
now?
to budget.
Are we gonna pick this apart right now? Okay. So, I don't know where this weather came from, but it looks like it's gonna rain. It may be a very small band,
It is.
but hopefully it is, and then we can drive the track and race. Because I mean business tonight. I'm here to race, and so are all these guys. So, hopefully, oh, it's starting. Hopefully it's quick. We'll see. Guys, it looks like we're gonna have to call it tonight, just because it's supposed to do this again in a little bit, and it's hard, no sunlight. It's gonna get cold. We're not gonna be able to get the track safe to run again. So the next list race will be April 3rd, right before the Freedom 500. So Thursday, April 3rd. If you've already made an existing call out, let me or Josh know, and we'll lock that in for the 3rd. Yeah, Race Master. Yep. I didn't even finish. Why are you asking questions? It's not time for questions. This is why you got fired twice.
I know. I'm trying to get three people. How does it work on the call out? Do you only have to accept one?
No, we want you to race. We're gonna post the rules before the 3rd. We've been talking about it a bunch. We're gonna type something up and post it. And again, like we said last time, we're working on it. Work in progress. But we want to see you defend your spot twice.
In the same car.
So if you have a messed up vehicle that night, you could possibly only. If you have a messed
Yeah,
up
if your car breaks, obviously that's an exception to the rule. But you can't just tell people. You can't just show up and say no and hold your spot. You show up and you don't want to race somebody, you lose your spot. So anyway, so April 3rd. If you guys would like to, we can set up some races for the 3rd. We can make some call outs while we're all here. But that'll be the next one. And that's really it. But it'll be cool. A lot of fans will get to come see it because it'll be right before the Freedom 500. And that's it.
If someone calls us out, is it going to be like we all got to run at the same time, or you just have to run them that night? The only reason I'm asking is because I think April 3rd, don't they have a test or practice deal?
Yeah, but that's at like 3 or 4.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Well, I'd like to
We'll
do
make
that.
sure you make it.
Okay, all right.
You'll be fine.
You're also
Stop.
practicing tomorrow.
Yeah.
How much practice?
Wait, how much practice do you
Yeah.
really need,
Oh,
dude?
oh, my bad. I
Never
was supposed
turn
to
like
say.
that. Sweet.
That's crazy.
Sweet. Maybe I don't.
You got a private test session? Anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. So anyway, so that's that. Are we good for our call out for next week or for the 3rd? But so
I'm a big fan of the band.
so we should so hold on.
Really makes me.
We got to figure this out too. There should be a rule, in my opinion, and you said it earlier, that you have to defend your spot at least once before calling out up. Is that fair?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think if you exchange spots, you should at least defend that spot and then race up.
So you got to race me first.
I was chosen.
No, you're good. All right. So anyway, so guys, get your races,
Technically, by
get your
the
races,
rules,
lo-
you have to defend number 9.
get your races locked in, and there's no number 10. So get me somebody to race. There's got to be a number 10.
Who's 10?
Nobody. He's gonna call somebody out backwards.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Stop. So anyways, get your call outs. April 3rd, day before the Freedom 500. We'll have a banger list race. Let's get it. That's it. All right. Anybody got call outs locked in?
Yeah, I think I'm with Toby.
Yep.
Hey, we're racing.
All right.
Everybody sees
I know, we're
that now.
racing
Don't send me a bunch of
Okay,
messages.
you guys are racing. No, you're good. You're good.
So how?
Oh, Garrett still wants to race you. Yeah.
Well, Garrett ain't here, so. That's
You want me to get him to come?
Rule
Come.
the rules.
He was here.
He's not here right now.
He was here. He showed up.
Two spots.
We're gonna have an issue with you, aren't we? Remember the first? All right, so hold on. I want to highlight something right. Yeah, the first race we said we're doing this to have fun. If anybody becomes a problem, they're done. You're on thin ice. Yeah, you're on thin ice. Yeah, you're gonna be a number 9 problem soon.
You gotta get to number 1 to be a problem
Yeah.
out here.
And then we'll do the same thing. I know you came to race in, so we'll get you and Cooper and all the guys that were locked in for that to race in for the number 10 spot. We'll do that again on the 3rd. And then once you guys get in, start calling people out. All right? That's it. And now Justin's taking us to dinner. Our unemployed friend. No, serious. Justin came and said he's buying dinner for the whole list. Yeah. Yeah, dude's unemployed taking us to dinner. I like that.
Got a lot of money.
Sick. That's sick. That's sick. All right, guys. So unfortunately, Mother Nature got us tonight. It rained. It's still on and off raining, so we're not gonna be able to run tonight. So the next list race will be April 3rd. We got a bunch of these guys all locked in. They locked in races to move up the list, and we have a 4-car shootout still in place to get onto the list to get the number 10 spot. So April 3rd, we'll live to fight another day. That'll be the safer day. Hopefully the race won't have this weird rain out of the blue. But this does give us an opportunity to test the car. Now tomorrow I'll come back down here. We have a test session during the day. I'll make a couple laps in the car, see what it's gonna run, make sure it's dialed in and it's ready. And hopefully it runs good. We gotta get ready for the 3rd. There's a small chance we have the Mustang back for April 3rd, but in case we don't, we're gonna stick with our current list car, get it dialed in, and run up the whole list. Oh no, it broke the rear end. I think there's a little fluid. It's in neutral, yeah. It'll move eventually. Well, so I'm glad that we did this. 2 days later, we're here for a no-time event, so I figured I'd make a shakedown and make sure this thing was good and ready for the list race. The rear end was not ready. It left really good. It foot braked really good. I think it will be fast. But we gotta fix that rear end, so it never ends. I break my own cars. I break the loaner cars. I don't know what these are, but it definitely broke the rear end. I think these are wheel weights. I don't know what this is in my hand. But it foot braked really, really good, which was my main concern. So I'm sure we have a dip at the shop. I'll fix the rear end, come out here, put one in for Thursday. I guess we have 2 weeks now, so we just gotta get it right. But I'm so happy that I did this because I have not had luck at all with any list cars. So that's the list car update. We'll get it fixed, we'll try again.